Bill Gates and the Microsoft revolution. Few figures have left as profound a mark on the technology landscape as Bill Gates. As the visionary co-founder of Microsoft, Gates not only revolutionized the way we interact with computers but also transformed the entire tech industry, making personal computing accessible to millions around the globe. From humble beginnings in a small garage to building one of the world's most influential companies, his relentless drive, innovative spirit, and strategic foresight ignited a technological revolution that continues to shape our digital world today. In this video, we'll explore how Bill Gates sparked the Microsoft revolution and examine the lasting impact he has had on technology, business, and society as a whole. Bill Gates' journey to becoming one of the most influential figures in the tech world began long before the founding of Microsoft. Born in 1955 in Seattle, Washington, Gates was exposed to computers at an early age, a rarity at the time. His parents encouraged his intellectual curiosity, enrolling him in Lakeside School, where he first encountered a computer terminal. This early exposure ignited a passion for programming that would shape his future. At Lakeside, Gates quickly distinguished himself with his aptitude for technology, spending countless hours writing code and exploring software possibilities. Influenced by visionary thinkers and the rapidly evolving landscape of computing in the 1960s and 70s, he developed a mindset centered on innovation and problem-solving. The competitive environment and collaborative projects at Lakeside fostered his entrepreneurial spirit, leading him to partner with childhood friend Paul Allen. These early experiences laid a solid foundation for Gates' groundbreaking work. His combination of technical skill, strategic thinking, and relentless drive to push boundaries set the stage for what would become the Microsoft revolution, a movement that transformed not just software development, but the very fabric of modern technology and how we interact with the digital world. In 1975, two young and ambitious innovators, Bill Gates and Paul Allen, recognized the immense potential of personal computing, a concept that was still in its infancy. Their shared vision was clear: to put a computer on every desk and in every home. This bold idea laid the foundation for what would soon become Microsoft. Starting with a simple yet groundbreaking product, an interpreter for the basic programming language tailored for the Altair 8800 microcomputer, the duo demonstrated not only technical prowess but also a keen sense of market opportunity. Their early success energized them to establish Microsoft as a company dedicated to developing software that could empower individuals and businesses alike. The birth of Microsoft was more than just the launch of a software firm. It was the ignition of a revolution that would transform how the world interacts with technology, setting the stage for decades of innovation and growth. Founder Paul Allen set out to create software that would revolutionize personal computing. Their first major breakthrough came with the development of a version of the basic programming language for the Altair 8800, one of the earliest microcomputers. This achievement not only demonstrated Microsoft's potential but also established the company as a key player in the nascent software industry. Building on this early success, Gates focused on creating user-friendly and powerful software products that could run on a variety of hardware platforms. This vision led to the development of MS-DOS in the early 1980s, an operating system that became the backbone for IBM's personal computers. MS-DOS's widespread adoption propelled Microsoft into the spotlight, setting the stage for future innovations. Bill Gates' relentless drive for innovation and his ability to foresee the importance of accessible software laid the foundation for Microsoft's product lineup. From operating systems to productivity tools, these early products not only shaped Microsoft's identity but also transformed the way people interacted with computers, ultimately changing the tech world forever. When Microsoft introduced Windows in the mid-1980s, it marked a pivotal turning point in the evolution of personal computing. Prior to Windows, interacting with computers was largely limited to text-based commands, which required users to memorize complex codes and instructions. Windows revolutionized this experience by introducing a graphical user interface key that allowed users to navigate their computers visually, using icons, menus, and windows, making computing accessible to the masses. This innovation didn't just simplify computing, it transformed the very way people worked, communicated, and created. Windows provided a platform where software developers could build a vast range of applications, from productivity tools to games, further fueling the rapid adoption of personal computers worldwide. It also set new standards for operating systems, influencing competitors and shaping the future of software design. Bill Gates' vision for Windows was not merely about technological advancement, it was about democratizing access to computers, empowering individuals and businesses alike. By doing so, Windows became the cornerstone of Microsoft's dominance and played a crucial role in embedding technology into everyday life, a legacy that continues to impact how we interact with technology today. Microsoft's impact on the tech industry is nothing short of revolutionary. From its early days, the company transformed personal computing by making software accessible and user-friendly for the masses. With the launch of Windows, Microsoft introduced a graphical user interface that simplified computing tasks, setting a new standard that competitors scrambled to follow. This innovation not only democratized technology but also fueled the rapid growth of home and office computers worldwide. Beyond operating systems, Microsoft reshaped the software landscape with products like Microsoft Office, which became the backbone of productivity for businesses and individuals alike. The company's commitment to continuous innovation and integration helped streamline workflows and boosted efficiency across countless industries. Moreover, Microsoft's influence extends into cloud computing with Azure, which has become a major player in the rapidly expanding cloud services market, enabling businesses to scale and innovate more quickly than ever before. The company's ventures into gaming with Xbox and investments in artificial intelligence further demonstrate its role as a versatile powerhouse driving the future of technology. In essence, Microsoft not only revolutionized how we interact with computers but also laid the groundwork for many of the digital tools and services that define modern life. Its impact is woven into the fabric of the tech industry, inspiring innovation and shaping the way technology evolves globally. As we look ahead, the future of Microsoft and the broader tech landscape is poised for groundbreaking innovation and transformative change. Building on the foundation that Bill Gates established decades ago, Microsoft continues to evolve, embracing emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and quantum computing. The company's deep investment in Azure, its cloud platform, positions it at the forefront of the digital transformation sweeping across industries worldwide. Moreover, Microsoft's commitment to integrating AI into its suite of products from Office 365 to its development tools reflects a vision of smarter, more intuitive technology that empowers users and businesses alike. Beyond software, Microsoft is also making strides in areas such as augmented reality with its HoloLens device, signaling its ambition to redefine how we interact with digital content. Bill Gates' visionary leadership and relentless drive not only sparked the Microsoft revolution but also fundamentally transformed the technology landscape as we know it today. From humble beginnings to pioneering innovations that shape the way we work, communicate, and live, his impact continues to resonate across the globe. Understanding his journey offers valuable insights into the power of innovation, determination, and strategic thinking. As we look toward the future of technology, the legacy of Bill Gates serves as a powerful reminder that one individual's vision can indeed change the world forever.